Okay, guys, I'm going to talk about something that has been on my mind for years and years and years, and I've kept quiet about it because I don't like to offend people. I don't like to hurt people's feelings, especially my friends. But today I'm going to talk about multi-level marketing. I have never been a fan of it. I have never joined up with an organization like that to try to sell products to someone else. I did join Young Living for a little while because they give you a lot bigger discount if you join, but I was never trying to like sell it to other people. I know that's probably why a lot of people join these organizations is because they're sold on it by the company. That's what happens. So I just want to start this video by saying, please, I'm not saying this to shame anyone at all. I believe in the entrepreneurial journey, and if you are on that and you are making money doing something with multi-level marketing, more power to you. I think one of the things that I've had the hardest time with over the years as a tax advisor and a tax preparer is seeing clients come to me year after year with multi-level marketing businesses that are not profitable. And I'm seeing how much time and energy is being poured into the business, usually online via posts that you're making, messages that you're sending to friends and family trying to promote and sell this product. And then when we do the tax return, maybe there's even a loss. Maybe you've spent more money than you actually made. The people that I've seen who decide to do this just don't make money. And I feel like these companies, the big companies that are selling you on selling their product to other people, are the ones that are probably making the profit. And that's the part that bothers me. And I feel like a lot of times the people that are doing these things, selling things through multi-level marketing companies, don't really see that or realize that. So I guess one call to action to you would be, and this is what I've thought about over the years, is I would love to have more clients in this area that are profitable. I think that that would change my perspective. Maybe somehow I've just managed to attract failing business owners or small time businesses or who knows what else. But maybe there's a whole population of people out there. I hope there is. You always see people on social media that are like, I make 6 figures a month and I, retired my husband and all of these things. So I hope those people are out there. But personally, in my tax and accounting world in the last 20 years, I haven't seen those people. So if you are a multi-level marketer and you are successful, it doesn't have to be millions, but if you're making a good salary reasonable compensation to what you would be making elsewhere out in the W-2 working world, I would love to have you as a tax client. So maybe you are looking for a new accountant or a tax preparer, or maybe you just need advice and guidance on how to better keep your records or take advantage of more deductions or structure your business. There's all kinds of great things about being self-employed, especially when you're profitable, things that you can deduct and write off and ways that you can handle your expenses to be tax advantaged. And I would love to be able to help you with all that stuff. And I think it would be great because it would give me a different perspective of, maybe these businesses are providing opportunities for people to be successful and be their own boss with the support system of a good product or company behind them. So I'm open-minded and I actually would love it if you changed my mind. So one of the reasons that I'm just kind of putting it out there, I want you to be successful. I'm here as a resource. If that would be helpful, I would love the opportunity to talk to you. I hope that you won't feel bad if you're not successful. I mean, that is the most common thing I see is that these businesses break even or show a loss. So if that's where you're at, you're not the minority. And maybe there's a way to be successful with your organization, or maybe it's not the best fit. And I do think that a lot of these companies talk a big game and sell you on something that really just isn't possible with the low margins of commission that they offer. So my goal is to help everyone find a career that they love, that they can support themselves and their family with and enjoy what they're doing and have flexibility. And if you found that with a multi-level marketing company, then I am so happy for you. And if not, if you're still looking for that, then I would love to be a resource. So please keep me in mind for future tax advisory and consulting needs. And try not to bombard your friends and family with sales pitches. I know I can speak for many people when I say that that doesn't feel good. I really, really don't like it when people friend request me on Facebook, not to be my friend, but to try to sell me stuff. If it's both, if you're my friend and you're trying to sell me stuff, well, I usually have some grace for that because I want to support my friends and their small businesses. But I want that to be reciprocal also. And I don't want it to feel like you're only being my friend because you're trying to sell me something. So if you've friend requested me over the years and you don't really know me, take the time to get to know me as a person without trying to sell me something before you just bombard me with your product or service that you are trying to sell. So thanks for watching.